Did you know that one simple homemade juice, made with everyday ingredients, can be a refreshing way to add more vitamins and antioxidants to your diet? If you've been looking for a natural drink that's easy to prepare and packed with nutritious ingredients, stay with me until the end. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make it step by step, and I'll also explain why each ingredient is included. Let's get started. The first ingredient is half a fresh carrot. Wash it thoroughly, peel off the outer skin, and cut it into small pieces. Cutting the carrot into smaller chunks makes it much easier to blend and helps create a smoother drink. Next, take half of a fresh beetroot. Wash it well, peel away the skin, and chop it into small pieces just like the carrot. Beets add a rich natural color and contain nutrients such as folate, potassium, and naturally occurring nitrates. Now take one fresh apple. Wash it carefully, remove the core and seeds, then cut it into small pieces. There's no need to make the pieces perfect, just small enough for your blender to process easily. Apples provide natural sweetness, fiber, and vitamin C, giving the drink a fresh and delicious flavor. After that, take a small piece of fresh ginger. Peel off the skin and slice it into smaller pieces. Ginger adds a pleasant spicy taste and contains natural compounds that may support digestion and contribute to the drink's refreshing flavor. Next, take one fresh lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze out all the juice, making sure to remove any seeds. Fresh lemon juice adds a bright citrus flavor and provides vitamin C, which supports normal immune function and helps your body absorb iron from plant foods. Now it's time to combine everything. Add the chopped carrot, beetroot, apple, and ginger into your blender. Then pour in the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Finally, add 1 glass of clean water to help everything blend smoothly. Close the blender securely and blend the mixture for about 1 minute, or until it becomes completely smooth and well combined. If you enjoy a thinner juice, you can strain it before serving. If you prefer extra fiber, drink it without straining. This colorful homemade drink is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and hydration from fresh fruits and vegetables. It can be a refreshing addition to a balanced diet and may help you feel more energized as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Keep in mind that this juice is not a medicine and won't cure conditions such as anemia, poor circulation, or persistent fatigue. If you regularly experience weakness, dizziness, or unusual tiredness, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to find the underlying cause. Enjoy this drink fresh for the best flavor and nutritional quality. If you liked this simple recipe, save it and share it with someone who enjoys healthy homemade drinks.